Hey guys, so today we're going to make the easiest peanut butter cookies of all time. It has just three ingredients, and I'm gonna show you that later on. But for the meantime, click the subscribe button for more lazy kind of video, cause I'm a lazy person and I don't really like staying in the kitchen too long. So I'm sharing easy recipes and anything easy for lazy people, for lazy person like me. So yeah, all right, so stay tuned. So of course our ingredient is creamy peanut butter, egg, and sugar. Yes, this is sugar. So after 1 minute, it's done. You reach the consistency of the cookie. So now it's time to roll ba? To make a ball. And put it here.
Let's decide some. And let's switch
asymptomatic.
Na-contact na nila, no?
Asymptomatic siya.
But those in the office is asking you also quarantine to the
Circle.
Save ko nga to. Ay, send ko sa'yo para pag binulit nila ulit.
So just checking in. So now the cookies are in the oven, so we'll need to wait for 10 minutes or at least until golden brown. And be sure to preheat the oven while you're doing the bilog-bilog thing, so you'll not wait, like para mas makatipid kayo sa oras. Mas madali, mas mabilis matapos, mas maganda. So second batch. Wow. Okay, this is the third batch. And the innovation. So instead of
Kasi wala kaming flat.
okay guys, so the moment of truth, taste test time. So, ito na siya. Well, drama lang yon. Actually, kinain ko na siya. Ito na lang yung tira. All I can say is amazing, perfect, masarap. Since it doesn't have the flour and anything usually na nilalagay sa cookies, it kind of melts in your mouth. Like kinain ko, and then it's gone. It melts in your mouth. So, what are you waiting for? So, mag-bake ka na! If you want to try this, please tag me on my Instagram or on Facebook. So, and tell me if you were happy with this cookies, with this recipe. So, until next time, for more easy recipe, please click subscribe.